Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Alright, in this video I'll be showing us how to cover your Alice band with your Aso OkeFabric material or any kind of materials in two different ways. Now let's dive into it. Alright my lovelies, for this first design I used this Alice band to cut out and measure out the length of my Aso OkeFabric, and the next thing I'm going to do is to apply a generous amount of hot glue on the Alice band just like I'm doing, and then I'm going to be placing it on the Aso OkeFabric material that I have. Right now what I'm doing is to be pressing it down as I'm going, and I'm adding more glue to the Alice band and I'm also pressing it down. Next, I'm cutting off the excess material that I have on the Alice band. I do not want to have a bulgy area, so that's why I'm cutting it off. Next, I have the rough edge and the area where I cut out with my scissors, so I'm going to be folding in the area where I cut out with my scissors first. I will be doing that by applying the glue first and then pressing it down just like I'm doing. If you like what you're seeing so far, why don't you subscribe to my channel, like my video and share. I would love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions, please drop your questions in my comment section. I will read it and I'll gladly answer you. Right now I'm using my scissors to cut off the excess at the edge of the Alice band. So I'm going to be working with this white bias. You can use black or any matching color. So I feel like I have a white on my Aso OkeFabric. That's why I'm using a white to blend it in. You can use a white, you can use a blue, depending on the color of your Aso OkeFabric or your fabric. So for today I'm using a white bias to cover. So once you're done, you cut off the excess bias remaining, and then you're going to split this bias into two because we're going to be using it to cover the edge, the rough edge of the Alice band. So right now what I'm doing is to open up this bias that I just cut out. I'll open it up and then add some glue to it, and I'll be placing my Alice band inside it just like this, then cover it up. Go ahead and add some glue by the sides and then fold it in. Repeat the same process for the other end of the Alice band, and there you have it, your first way to cover your Alice band. Now for the next one, I have these two pieces of fabric cut out. I think I have the length in 20 inches, even though we're not going to use all. Now I have the area where I cut out, which is the rough side, and then the other side which is hemmed by the Aso OkeFabric weaver. Now I'm going to be placing it in such a way that the area where it's already hemmed, the edges that is already hemmed, will be covering, and I'll be seeing that on top. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand. So add some glue and then you keep folding. So your folding technique is going to be in a diagonal shape. So you add your glue, you fold and cover, add your glue, you fold and cover. Now you're going to be repeating this method until you get to the middle point. Once you get to the middle point, you're going to cut off the remaining or the excess material and we repeat the same process for the other side. So now we've gotten to the middle and this is what it looks like. Now we're going to be repeating the same process for the other side. Add glue, you fold in the diagonal format and you add glue. Just keep repeating it. It's so simple. I think I even prefer this method. So this is the finished look for the second way to cover your Alice band. So tell me what you think. Do you prefer this or you prefer the other style? Let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.